The features of this makeup look are so sharp and prominent. So come, let's decode Bayonetta makeup step by step. So firstly, to match the eye color, I have used a grey lens. So I'm done with a little bit foundation. Now let's move on. Very cleanly thin and defined eyebrows. For the extra clean look, I'm applying some concealer on the brow edges and blending it out nicely. Applying a blackish grey eyeshadow and blending it in the crease line. Taking a mauvish pinky shade and blending out the edges. Slightly dragging it into the brow line. With the kajal, deepen up the upper waterline. Doing same for the lower waterline, little deeper on the outer part. Draw a very thin but elongated liner wing, enhancing the inner corner as well. With the same mauvey pinky shade, I am smudging out the lower lash line. Applying some contour to make the face snatched and longer, and lightly blending it towards the lip. A generous amount of contour in the jawline. She has a very sharp jawline. She has even more sharp nose, so applying a generous amount of contour, applying a highlighting concealer all over my face, blending all the concealer nicely. For the blush, I'm taking a mauvey pink shade, applying it just above the contour line, blending it till very close of my eye area. It should give the impression that it's connected to the eye color, something like this. Very thin coat of mascara. The eyelash should not look very thick and bushy. Lower lashes are more prominent, so applying a little bit on the lower lash line. Highlighting the inner corner and applying little bit more, dragging it slightly inward. Highlighting the brow bone at the very middle portion. For the sharpest nose impression, I am using little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose, little bit here. Applying some setting spray. Now for the lips, I'm applying some pink lipstick, blending out. Applying some concealer in my lower lip, blending it out. With a very dark lip liner, outline the lips. For that, I'm using Swiss Beauty lip liner in dark chocolate and deepen up the outer corner of my lower lip. And now I am taking a wine color lip tint. This is Mars Velvet Tint in the shade One Love, and applying it at the middle part of my lower lip. I'm smudging it with my hand. For my upper lip, I will apply it all over. And we brilliantly crack the lip combo just like her dual tone lips. For the final touch, I'm applying some glosses, and this is Elf Cosmetic Lip Lacquer in the shade Fantasy. We are done with the makeup. Let me do my hair with this red ribbon. I'm done with the hairstyle. I think it turned out very accurate. I have managed a very similar kind of earring. This is looking very little but similar. Finger ring like this. The mole she has right here. Now it's time for the glasses. I don't have any black glasses. I have this blue one. Let me paint it black. Paint my nails black, and I will be right back.